Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify products not showing in collections. Let's get started. So for now, I have in here some product, and in here I can see my collection. So when I click on collections, I have here some collections like drop shipping, bags and wallets, for the entertainment, and the like. So on the drop shipping, I have here some 4 products. So these 4 products include this 4 right here. So I can actually head over and then add more products right here. But what will happen if a product doesn't show? So let's head over first on our online store to see what it looks like. So in here, I have your catalog. Click on drop shipping. And in here, I have here the 4 products. So if you want to display your collections on your actual store, what you can do is you need to first head over in here. So head over to your actual online store, then click on navigation. And then under this navigation, you should be able to see in here the menu items. So you can see in here the main menu as well. So click on main menu. You can see in here the catalog with hash and drop shipping. So let me just add in the menu item to the catalog and I will name it home. And then in here, I will just look for the home right here, which is under the collections. And then in here, under this specific things. So I'll just put in here the bags and wallet. After that, I'll click on add. As you can see, it's been added. So let's just save that. As you can see, it's been saved. Now let's head over in here on our store again and let's try to refresh it. Under this catalog, as you can see, there's only drop shipping. So let's try to refresh it again. And then in here, you can now see the home. So click on home and you should be able to see in here the bags and wallets, which has the collections. If you want to add more, head over in here under products, then head over to the collections. And then under the bags and wallet, click on that. And then click on this right here to search for more product, or you can also browse to add more. So let me just head over and then add this reading glasses and click on that. After that, as you can see, it has been added right here. So in here, let's go back. And we have now 2 products right here. So as you can see right now, we only have 1 right here. So you need to just refresh this. So just refresh this until the actual product has been shown. Or you can also head over in here back on your store. Head over to catalog, head over to home. And then just wait for a few seconds in order for it to show up right here. It will take some time for it to show up since it is not instantly. So just wait for this right there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.